What is AI image editing? It's the ability to take an existing image and modify it using a simple text prompt. You give the AI an image, describe what you want to change, like style, objects, lighting, or details, and the AI edits the image accordingly. No manual tools, no complex software, just an image and clear instructions. AI image editing is extremely useful. It helps creators quickly iterate on designs, generate variations, fix mistakes, change backgrounds, and adapt visuals for different use cases. For designers, developers, and content creators, this saves time and unlocks rapid experimentation. But not all AI models edit images the same way. Some follow instructions better, some preserve image details more accurately, and some struggle with consistency. In this video, we compare the top 3 AI image editing models: Nano Banana Pro Grok and ChatGPT. Using the same image and the same prompt on 3 important scenarios, we'll see which model edits best and which one truly understands your intent. If you enjoy our content and want to see more, don't forget to hit subscribe.
So hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to compare the top model available on the internet for AI image editing. So what do you mean by AI image editing? These are those models which take a reference image as an example and helps you modify that image with the context you want to edit. Like if you want to erase an object from that image and put something other object for that in place, you use AI image editing models. There are various models like Nano Banana Pro support this, Grok, and ChatGPT 4.0 image model. So in this video, we are going to see the top 3 use cases and compare which model perform best in those use cases. So our first use case is changing the text in the picture. It's a very common use case. We all need that kind of model which removes specific date and in place add a other date for that in the documents or other values. So it helps in document manipulation or any other thing in which you want to remove specific text and add your like of text. So we will see which model perform: Grok, ChatGPT, and Nano Banana Pro. First, ChatGPT. ChatGPT done a great job in understand the context. It has a decent job, but there is an issue that the lining here is not so much good. Like in here, there is a lining of every wooden plank touching each other across the border, but the lining is not here on the text. If you zoom it correctly, the lining is not there, so that's the problem here. But overall it's a good day. Proportion is right, the text font is right, the size of text is also right, but I think the Titanic was size is bigger than that. So I will say it is not good, but it's look satisfying to see that it's look like real text on that boat. So our next one is Grok done a great job in that. It also shows the curve, like the boat has a curve, so the image, the text would be curved and it has a curve here. So Grok is done much better than ChatGPT, but it also has the lining of the wooden plank touching each other. So I will say it done a great job than ChatGPT. So I will give a higher score than that. And our next is Nano Banana Pro. Nano Banana Pro doesn't give a good job. Like it has given too much focus on texture that is forgot the main context. Like it's a straight line, there is no all the text is written in straight line, there is no curve in it, so it will be easily understandable that it's not a real image. It is edited. Like image text should have slight curve, so here it is lost, but texture is good. Like it is showing like the board texture, but there are some problem, like there is no this mark, like here is a mark of wear and tear below the text, but here it's not. Let me see, there is also that not, so everyone feels but ChatGPT done a good job. Here is the mark slightly. So that's the condition comparison of which model perform best in image manipulation for text criteria. Now let's see our next criteria, which is object removal with context reconstruction. So like in this, we remove an object from the image and actually fill in the background. So if I want to remove an object and in place I want to add another object in that situation, I will use this kind of prompt method or in AI image editing. So let's see which model perform better. First, our ChatGPT. It's done a good job. It look little bit uh, 3D stamp, like the 3D rose has been stamped on the image. But if we say it with the eyes of a normal person, it looks real and it's quite good. The lighting is good. The part where hand is touching the rose stem is also good, and it's slightly blend, which make it more real. Like if a real person is holding a rose flower, it will slightly bend his stem for a grip, but it's good. Then our next is Grok. So Grok has done not a good job because the leaf is an addition, but it doesn't look real. We can say the leaf isn't real if we compare it, and the flower is doesn't look so much good as the ChatGPT. So I will say ChatGPT done a greater job than Grok here. But if you see, it's try to match the lightning condition. Like if you see, the lightning here is good. So like the shadow of the palm of the hand has blocked the light here, so the leaf hasn't been in light here. So it does a great job in lightning, but I don't like the this part because it feel unnatural to me. So let's see the nano banana. Nano banana is also looks so much not real because the flower is too much big, and it sound looks like unreal to me. And other part, that the stem is not in alignment. If I see the stem is not in alignment, so that's an issue also. And then there is some leaf which doesn't look so real to me in general, but is quite satisfactory according to the standards of AI image editing. Like nobody can determine if it's real or in one glance. You have to focus it on it quite deeply. So with this, there is your comparison between all the models based on image reconstruction on your object requirement. So now our next is attribute change on a person. So like if I want to change a single detail, keeping all the attributes of the image same. Like here I change the color of the t-shirt of this girl. So which model is best? Like I can also add a another thing, but this is the part where we just focus on the attribute change. We doesn't want anything else to change. We just want a single item or object color to be changed, or to be texture which should be manipulated. So let's see which model perform best. So here is the ChatGPT. ChatGPT done a great job. It's look realistic. The lightning is also great. So I will give ChatGPT a full marks here because everything I want is according to my condition. Nothing is added. But here is Grok. Grok has done a problem. Like it has added some new details. Like it's showing covering here, which I don't want. I have given the same prompt to every model, and I specifically mentioned that I don't want anything else to change. I just want the color of that shirt to be changed to red color. So I will not say it's done a great job. It has modified image not with my uh, requirement. And then there is nano banana. Nano banana makes the image looks more dramatic. Like the color here, the lightning here is much better, but it's look little bit dramatic. Like the lightning has some showing some shadows, and it's look dramatic in color. So that's all for you now, because as we have compared the all the models which perform best in each scenarios. I will love to see your comments on this topic also.